Hi, this is a design tour where we travel through space and time so you can have your own idea of what good taste in design is. My name is Nastya Kovalova. Let's go! Today you will see how Knightsbridge Residence apartment will look like redesigned in Art Deco style. When we buy a home, we always face the issue of bare wall condition. We came to the Knightsbridge Residence in White City to find a solution to this problem, where an architect will transform an apartment with a basic renovation into an Art Deco apartment as we watch. Knightsbridge Residence complex was designed by the world-famous Chapman Taylor studio, which has more than 300 awards in the field of design. This project was realized by one of the largest developers of Azerbaijan, Pasha Construction. Buying apartments here, the future owners are getting the highest class housing, and this is clearly seen at all stages of construction. We can see that all the exterior walls are made of gas block. That allows us to improve sound and heat insulation. All partitions are plasterboard non-load-bearing walls, so you can make any layout that you need in this apartment. Among the obvious pros, I would like to mention that each unit has a spacious closed parking lot. And there are also external parking places. Of course, another undeniable advantage of Knightsbridge Residence is the basic modern renovation of the apartments. Based on the example of one of these apartments, Kamran Ibrahimli, head of the ENG design studio, will show you how to turn such interior into beautiful Art Deco apartment quickly and with minimal expenses. Kamran, this particular apartment is double-sided, which means one side faces the courtyard and the other side faces the private park and the road. What can you say about the placement of this particular apartment in the Knightsbridge residential complex? Yes, it's in a good location. Basically, it's in the center. A park on the right side, a park on the left side. There is no problem with the panorama. I love this Knightsbridge complex. The panorama is gorgeous. There are trees and parks everywhere. This complex will suit people who have good taste. The advantage here is a beautiful facade, the proper arrangement of apartments, the perfect view from the window. And so I think that people who have good taste, they will naturally choose an apartment in this complex. The apartment for today's transformation is located on both sides of the building and has an excellent view from the window. There is a guest master bedroom, a dressing room, a large living room studio, everything a couple or a small family needs for a comfortable stay. How versatile are these apartments in terms of their design? Here they use neutral colors. The right accessories can transform an apartment in any style. So the advantage of these apartments is that they are adaptable and can be modified in many different ways. The Art Deco style chosen by Kamran implies the use of saturated colors, unusual textures and expensive materials. The selected elements will certainly add richness to the neutral colors of the basic renovation and will add exotic elegance to the interior. This style should be based on elegance, individuality and geometric features of the furniture itself. And so I think that everyone who owns this place will feel that individuality in this apartment. The process of transformation was not long, and thanks to a few touches, the apartment has been brightened up with new colors. We have very different brands here, Roberto Cavalli, Mondi. Of course, in order to make the interior look more beautiful, you have to choose the right furniture, the right decor. Unfortunately, there are very few such places in Baku, but we were able to find all this furniture, all this decor at the Collezioni Italia. We went there, we saw everything we needed, and we started to take it all right away. It really helped us, thanks to Collezioni Italia. Another tool for creating a special atmosphere of the interior is certainly floristry. For our special purpose, the florist of Noemi Studio created an interesting composition based on the latest trends. A well-formed bouquet will add the interior fresh and emphasize its character. Among other things, the architect paid special attention to the bedroom. In this Art Deco style, we went away from the neutral color scheme with beautiful sheets, pillows and paintings. Again, I think that coziness is achieved with warm colors, and that's why we used them in this bedroom. I believe we did it well. To summarize, we can say that the interior is very harmonious. Blue marine tones in furniture, accent lamps of provocative red color, metal, meticulously selected decor and impeccably executed table setting transform the basic renovation beyond recognition. We are in the same interior with basic renovation in the same place. But how it was all modified with decor, furniture, accessories, how we changed it all feels like a totally different apartment. It's true. Yeah, that's why it's not a problem to buy a basic apartment. You buy it and then you can change it like that. The attractiveness of a basic renovation from Knightsbridge Residence lies in its quality and versatility. With light touches of decoration and textiles, it can be transformed into any style of interior. You can like the design or not. It can tickle your imagination or soothe it. Either way, it leaves no one indifferent. And that was the design tour. See you later!